Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So, when the iPhone is stuck in emergency SOS mode, you won't be able to use your iPhone unless you get your iPhone out of this. To do that, we will need to force restart the iPhone. And here is how. If your iPhone is running iOS 16 or later, you need to press and quickly release the volume up button. Next, press and quickly release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, don't let go. Let it turn off again. And when you see the Apple logo again, release the side button to allow it to boot. After following the steps above, your iPhone will restart. After your device powers on, you will see that your phone is working and the emergency SOS screen is gone. For force restart instructions for iPhone 7, iPhone 6s, or iPhone SE, first generation, models that don't support iOS 16, see the iOS 15 version of this page. So, how to avoid accidentally activating the emergency SOS mode? Then here is how. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Emergency SOS. You will see several options with toggle switches here. Which ones you see will depend on your iPhone model. The options that you will want to disable to prevent accidental calls are: Call with hold. This will automatically make an emergency call when the side button and one of the volume buttons are pressed simultaneously. If you press these buttons simultaneously for a short enough time, you will only see the screen with the power off slider and the emergency SOS slider. This is how you power off your iPhone. If you press them for longer, an emergency call will automatically be initiated, your iPhone begins a countdown and sounds an alert. If you release the buttons after the countdown ends, your iPhone automatically calls emergency services. The next option is Call with 5 presses. If you rapidly press the side button 5 times, you will activate an emergency call. If you turn off Call with hold and release or Call with 5 button presses, you can still use the emergency SOS slider to make a call. That's it guys, hope this useful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.